Okay, so the topic that we are revising today for Pakistan studies is forest, right? First thing is the detail, right? How much area is under forestation or forested or deforested, and only 4%, right? Then when we talk about types of forest, right? We can start either from the map or, for example, if we start off with the northern areas, which type of forests are present? So alpine at the top, then we have coniferous, then we have subtropical forest, and then we have other types as well. And then at the coast, at the coastal area, we have mangroves. Okay. Now the other thing that is being asked, if we compare these three first, alpine, then we have coniferous, and then we have subtropical. Now alpine. First thing is the altitude. Okay, 4,000 meter or 12,000 feet. Then coniferous less than 4,000, so 3,000 to 12,000. Subtropical, it is below 1,000. Then about the species of trees, these two have the same. So I am writing AC over here. It means that these two have the same species, coniferous and this. Species, fir, spruce, birch, larch, pine, and juniper. Okay. Then when we talk about subtropical, since these are found on the hills, so the height and the types are chestnut, walnut, oak, chestnut, and walnuts. Now, when we talk about features of vegetation, alpine, since they are at the top, so nearly first thing, alpine, small in size, because of low temperature, twisted in shape, coniferous, tall, straight, useful timber, deodar, valuable tree, and the other feature is like alpine forest and coniferous forest have long needle shaped leaves and branches sloping downwards, thick bark and soft wood, and evergreen. So the things is a common AC in both evergreen, long needle shaped leaves. Okay. Now when we talk about subtropical forests are deciduous. Deciduous means that they will shed leaves in dry season. Hardwood trees provide good timber, broad leaves, and have umbrella shape with a large canopy. Umbrella shape with a large. This is because of the warmer climate. So, like we are coming downwards in terms of altitude. Apart from this, the other information which the examiner often asks is related to the uses of forest products. So, first thing, timber for furniture, then fuel, wood, then it provides resin and gum used in chemical industries. Then medicinal plants and herbs. So for medicinal use. Then another is raw material for paper. Paper making, sports, goods. Then job and employment opportunities and land for capital. Cattle grazing. Oh, for environment, first thing, checks soil erosion, floods, adds to oxygen level, controls air pollution, and you can add these points later on, build on them. Okay. Preservation of wildlife, cooling effect on climate, add to scenic beauty, tourism industry. So these are some of the points, right? And also touch upon mangroves in the forest. This is the end of this session.